Are you considering a new look for your home's exterior? Well, Board and Batten siding is a showstopper that's taken modern homes by storm, from farmhouses to sleek contemporary designs. Stick around to find out if it's the perfect fit for your home. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we're going to deep dive into Board and Batten siding. We're going to talk about what it is, why it's so popular, its benefits, and what you need to consider before making your decision. By the end of this video, you're going to know if this stunning style is the right choice for your home. Well, let's start with the basics. Board and Batten siding features wide vertical boards alternating with narrow battens to cover the seams. Originally used for practicality in barns and agricultural buildings, this style has evolved into a top aesthetic choice for homeowners, offering a blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. Board and Batten siding is versatile, complementing a wide range of architectural styles. Check these out. Modern farmhouses with wide-spaced battens for a classic yet contemporary vibe. Craftsman bungalows, where it enhances the handcraft feel of your home. Even mid-century modern homes benefit from the added texture it brings. No matter your home style, Board and Batten siding can provide a timeless upgrade. Now, the cost of Board and Batten siding varies depending on your choice of material. Vinyl and cedar are budget-friendly, while fiber cement and engineered wood sits in the mid-range. Metal and cypress are premium options. Keep in mind, it typically costs $5 to $10 more per square foot than lap siding of the same material. Want to explore the cost for your home? Make sure you check out our free siding calculator linked above and below. Now, why is Board and Batten siding so popular? Well, it can add a unique, sophisticated appeal to any home. Its vertical lines enhance curb appeal, making your home look taller and more elegant. It's highly versatile and customizable with various materials and colors. Plus, it's durable. With materials like fiber cement, you get weather resistance and a long-lasting exterior with minimal maintenance. So even after all this, you're still wondering if Board and Batten siding is right for your home? Well, if you're in the San Antonio area, be sure to schedule a free consultation with our design experts today. We'll walk you through all of your options and help you choose the perfect siding style for your unique home. Click the link below to get started. If you aren't in the San Antonio area, then make sure you leave your questions down below and we'd be happy to help however we can. For more home improvement tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.